I have to apply. Hey, what's up? It's Elaine. Today, I'm going to perm my eyelashes with a home kit. I was introduced to this brand like 2 years ago, and I just bought a new one too, so I just wanted to introduce it to you guys as well and just show you guys how I do it. I really like this because it's way cheaper than doing it, actually like getting it done. And like getting it done is only like one-time thing, but like you could do multiple times with this kit, so I like that as well. And I don't know about other people, but for me, this thing lasted for 3 months. And it was way longer than I expected, so I really like that. But a few things though, it smells bad and it's a lot of work. Like it's a lot of work. So this brand is called Vasol Lash Lift Eyelash Perming Kit. Link is down below so you can check it. If I open it, bam, and then there's, so it comes with some pads and cleaning tool, and then perm, fixation, nutrition, clean, and then the glue, and then like some like tools that I need. So this thing, you're supposed to put it like under your eye. I think it's to separate your bottom lashes with the top lashes, because when I'm doing this, like, you know, I could perm my bottom lashes. And also there's the instructions. So let's get started. Okay, I'll show you guys the before. Use a cleanser solution number 4 to remove oil, dust, and makeup residue. So right here, number 4, I'm gonna grab it. Got a Q-tip and I'm just gonna clean my eyelid and my lashes. For number 2, I have to put this eye patch on my lower eyelid, but I'm gonna skip that part. I got the lift pads right here, and they have different sizes, so I'll show you guys all the sizes. This is small. You see it's on the flatter side and pretty short. And this is the medium. It's a little bit more round than the small. And this is the large. It's very round. So this one is small, this one is large. As you see, you can see the difference. Also, do you see how much more round it is? And obviously, I'm gonna go with small because my lashes are freaking short. So since I chose the small one, now I have to glue this into my eyelid with this glue. Just gonna put it all over. Let me put this right here. I need to make sure it stays, or else it's gonna stress me out so much. Stressing out, I mean like, I really like, it'll stress you out. Put this one on. Okay, I'm gonna stay like this for like a long time. Oh guys, it's so hard for me to like blink or even open my eyes. Okay. Next, I have the clean tool. I'm not even looking at the camera. And if you see, this side has like a little brush or like a comb, and then this side is just flat. And I look so funny. Okay, hold up. Now I have to apply this into the pad and then lift my lashes up. Okay, let's go. Oh my gosh, hold up. Okay, it's so funny to like record this. I am going to, oh my gosh, apply the glue. With this comb, I'm gonna push it upward and make it stick. It takes a while because the eyelashes are so dry, so I need to kind of get the glue on it. Okay, do you guys see how much like it went up and like the difference? It's gonna perm just like this, or hopefully it does. Same thing to the other side. Okay, I'm done, and I naturally have to like lift my head up because I just can't look. So we're gonna go to the next step. Apply number 1 into the eyelashes and cover with plastic for 8 to 10 minutes. But I'm not gonna cover with plastic. And honestly, I've done this for 10 minutes before, but 10 minutes do nothing. Like, you have to have it on for at least like 30 minutes to an hour. Honestly, I think I'm just gonna have it on for like 30 to 40 minutes. I have my tools right here. That I have the brush. Oh, it smells so bad. I'm gonna apply it to my eyelash. Okay, I think I applied too much. It's like they want to fall out now. Okay, I'm done with this side. I'm just gonna move on to that side. This side, just in general, everything is going so much better. Let's wait now.
3 hours later.
Alright, it's been around 35 minutes and I'm just done. I don't want to wait 40 minutes. Like, I'm done with this step. But I have to do my second step and I have to wait another 30 minutes. Okay, so apply number 2 into the lashes and then wait 8 to 10 minutes. But you know I'm not gonna wait 8 to 10 minutes. I've been barely blinking properly. So my eyes are like suffering, but it's okay. Actually, this one smells good. Then my good side. Okay, I'm done applying number 2. And this front is really not cooperating with me, but like I'm kind of over it because I don't want to deal with it anymore. It's like really stressing me out. That's why, you know, I told you like it's gonna stress me out, and it's doing exactly what I didn't want to do. So I'm gonna wait another 30 minutes like this.
3 hours later.
It's been another 30 minutes and I kind of tried to just keep pushing it up during the 30 minutes, but it would just fall back down. But I just kept holding it because I really wanted to work. Okay, this side was like the nicest thing ever, but like this side really don't want to work with me. This keeps falling out. But finally, I think I'm done. So I need to use number 4 to clean off and get the pad off. Okay. Oh, my lashes are still wet, so hopefully like it will stay when I dry it off. Okay, so the glue and the perm is not getting off like too well, so I'm just gonna clean it with water really quick. Okay, I'm back. I wiped off the perm and then some stuff and it kind of dried it, and definitely it's popping. But anyway, this thing came along too, so I'm just gonna brush it. And this side worked way better than this side. I thought this was gonna come out really well, but not the best. The other times I actually waited for like 50 minutes, but this time I only did 30, so maybe that's the problem. And for the last step, I have to put this number 3. It's like nutrition, but I'm gonna wash up pretty soon, so I don't want to put it right now. Well, as you guys see, it's really not consistent. Like this middle part, it's so much higher than like rest of these, but I'm so satisfied because something went up at least. I should have put it on longer. So I am done with my eyelashes. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and also leave me a comment, and I'll see you guys next time.